Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about face wash for each and every skin type. Like I have 5 different one of those. You can pick and choose the one that suits your skin the best, and it's always good to use a face wash that works out really well for your skin type. Now the face washes I'm going to be talking to you guys today about is from NIVEA. These are soap-free, super affordable face washes that is better than any other face wash that has soap in it. So these are really gentle. They work really well in cleansing your skin and maintaining the natural pH of your skin. There are 5 different variants. There is a honey variant for dry skin. There is a saffron variant for normal skin. There is a basin variant for people with oily skin. There is something with rose in it for people with sensitive skin, and turmeric, of course, for people with acne-prone skin. The variant that I particularly prefer using for my skin type, which is normal to sort of dry skin, sometimes it's normal, sometimes it's extremely dry. So the one that I personally prefer using is the honey variant. So honey, as you guys know, is a natural humectant, and it adds really good moisture to your skin. It locks in the moisture, making your skin look really nice, healthy, glowy and plump looking. And in that process, it also is a really good anti-aging ingredient because it makes your skin like nice and hydrated, so the chances of wrinkles and the chances of your skin being prone to that is a lot lesser. So honey is a really good ingredient for people with dry skin. It also like soothes dry skin. So that's the reason I chose this particular variant for my skin. But I can also use the saffron variant, which is for normal skin. Now saffron again is a really nice brightening ingredient. It evens out your skin and it works on hyperpigmentation and all of that. So even this one does work out really well for my skin type. Now coming to the packaging of this face wash, I really like this kind of like a teardrop packaging that they have, and the cap is really nice. So this is something I have traveled with in the past as well. It's really nice and handy, compact, and it's also secure, so the face wash actually doesn't leak all over the place. And like I've mentioned, I have tried this out way before as well, and I have talked about this in the video. The reason I tend to reach out for this is because of the texture of it. It has like that milky texture, and the tagline of this is "Don't face wash, milk wash," and I feel like it's exactly like that. It has a really nice creamy milky texture with gentle exfoliating beads in it as well. These beads are not like really harsh and coarse on your skin, and it's not like going to tear your skin and tug and pull. It's not like your typical physical exfoliant where it feels like really like harsh on your skin. These are smaller exfoliants that are present in this face wash. So while you're also cleansing your skin, you're also exfoliating it, but gently. And also the exfoliants present in this are not large in number, and they're not closely packed. So when you're applying it, you actually don't even feel it that much on your skin, but you're actually exfoliating your skin in the process of cleansing as well. I particularly like to use this on like very sweaty summer days when I feel like my skin is feeling really dull and I just want to like feel like awake, and especially during the morning times as well. That's when I incorporate this the most in my skincare routine, and I really like the smell of this. It's very gentle. It's not an overpowering scent, and it feels really nice, and like it wakes me up. I really like the smell of this, and it brings back so many memories as well. It's like nostalgia, and I love the smell of NIVEA products, and this is no different as well. And it just wakes me up in the morning, the first thing that I use this. So it is a really nice gentle cleanser. It doesn't dry your skin out. It doesn't strip your skin of the natural oil. It doesn't feel like, you know, once you're done washing your face with a certain face wash, your skin feels really like dry and you feel the urge to like instantly moisturize your skin. It doesn't happen with this. It does the good job of cleansing your skin, mildly exfoliating as well, but not making it feel really dry and making you like run for your moisturizer immediately. I feel like that. It makes my skin feel nice and nourished and also glowy, and it's doing its job really well. Now this variant is really good for anyone with dry skin, but of course they're not just stopping right there. They have a different variant for each skin type, and I really like how affordable this one is as well. So how I like to use this is, first I like to shake it up really well and then squeeze a generous amount of it, how much ever I feel like my skin needs. Like if I have a full face of makeup on and I've done my first cleanse and this is part of my second cleanse, I tend to use a little more product just so that I take off all of that that makeup residue. But if it is the first thing that I'm using in the morning, I don't really need that much of it because it does lather pretty well. Not like an extremely like foaming face wash. It is soap free and it is also gentle on your face, but it does the job of cleansing, as you guys can see. That's how much I use during the daytime. Also coming to the Saffron face wash, which I also do tend to use depending on how my skin is. This one I feel like I really like the smell of this also. It has a subtle like floral scent to it, but so refreshing, and like it doesn't feel like too much on your face, and it doesn't feel like repulsing at all. And also it's just a beautiful scent, very nostalgic, and instantly awakens you. This is something I have used when I had to take like an early morning flight, or if I have to like travel very early in the morning, so I have to leave home very early in the morning. I feel like when I'm like dull and not feeling awake, this one does do it for me. I don't really like to use very harsh cleansers early in the morning, and this one is the perfect fit for me because it is very gentle. So the exfoliants in this one is even more minute, even more tiny compared to the one in the honey variant. So again, if you were looking for something like that, I think you would really like this, especially if you have normal skin. Now the other face washes, of course, you can try it out depending on your skin type. I can't use something that is catered for people with oily skin, so of course for people with oily skin you can try it out, but these two definitely have my stamp of approval on it. So yeah, you can shop these Milky Delight face washes from the link that I'm leaving in the description box below, so make sure to check them out. And also let me know what you think about these face washes. If you have tried them out, let me know in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.